Today we're going to be building the tractor from the Bricks Farms. This is part of the Countdown new promo collection at the minute, and we're going to be building the tractor. So I've laid everything out previously, just off camera because I thought I'd do that. We've got our wee stickers here as well for our tractor. And then we have our instructions. So see, put the little guy in it, final result, all the stickers, all that kind of vibe. So laid everything out, and we're going to start with here. So let's put our instructions here. So we're going to start off with this larger piece. Wait, no, we're not. Just kidding. We're starting off with this small piece. Then we are putting this on one side. So that piece with the hole. Match that to the other side. There's also a hole there. And then we're going to be putting the square flat bit right in the middle there. So this is our first spot. First piece, if you will. Then we're going to be putting this on like that. It's like a little hammer. Beep, beep, beep. And then we're going to be placing this piece directly on top of that. Now, there's a car going past my house. Now, this piece here goes right at the bottom of this. Like so, like that. Then we're going to be, what are we doing? It looks like this piece is actually meant to be there. That's a bit confusing. But we got this. Now it's like that. So now what we're going to be doing is placing this piece on the end. So we'll place that there. And then placing this black piece right in that slot. So if it doesn't fit into that slot, you have done something wrong. So there's that like there. And then we are doing, what are we doing? It looks like one of these pieces is going here. And then we have a 4-piece going here, overlapping like that. And then we're going to put another 6-piece in there. So we've got a nice box now. So that's what we have. Then if we go on to the next part of the instructions. Where are we here? So, oh, that's not going to stand back. Oh, that's right, we'll hold it there. We've got the instructions there next to us. So then we are placing, it looks like this piece there, as well as this piece here. Then we are placing on the side of this, one of these. Remember to make it symmetrical. So also place on this side. And so it sticks out like that. And then we're placing these on like so. So it goes a little bit forward like that. Alrighty, so now on to the next step, which is when we are putting the chair in. So we're just placing that right here, right in the middle. And then the seat part right at the back. No, it overlaps. That is the wrong spot. Okay, another confusing one. Make sure you've got something that you can actually get your Lego apart with. I just use this metal kind of, what's it called? Like a little makeup thingy that I've got. So that just goes like that. Seat goes at the back, making sure to leave a gap. That's why these tutorials are important as well. Then we're getting this green flat piece and we're putting it, we're missing a piece. Where are we? Oh, that guy goes in there. That makes a lot more sense. All right, and then we're putting this one on. This is quite a solid one. Putting this piece in here with this piece on either side at the end. Again, remember to make this piece symmetrical and then you're good to go. And then this piece here goes here. Just making sure I do this piece right. Yep, that looks right. And then this one here, perfect. And then this one here is going over the very back, straight in the middle like that. Then we move on to the next step, which is, what is the next step? It is putting this thicker piece on here. Yes, on here, matching it up that way. So making like a little cab area. Then these little wheel bitties go here. So one on that side, like that. And then one on this side. So put that in there. And then we are placing, what are we placing in now? We are placing these two here. So a 1 and a 2. And we're placing this at the back. One of these guys at the front. Ugh. And then I'm assuming this piece is going on top. Not to get one step ahead of myself, but, oh, am I wrong? Am I wrong? I could be wrong. Hang on, that doesn't fit right. So we'll go on to the next step. Okay, no, it is saying that that piece goes on. So I guess that piece just needs to go back a bit. So place this on. I just was not smart enough was where I was placing it. Then these little yellow lights go right here as our tractor lights. And then we need to stick our wheels in. So let's connect all the wheels. Again, these are a nice 5-minute, quick, easy. I say again, I've never actually brought this up, but this is like a nice little 5-minute build. So a nice, easy one for you there. And I'm doing this in real time too. Oh God, that's why I'm struggling with this so much. Except the layout, that probably took like a minute to lay them all out, which if you've got kids, you probably want to lay it out for them. It's probably a bit easier, or if you want it to take a while, put it in a bowl and let them find the pieces. But with these, I found that there's been no extra pieces in there, so don't lose any. Alrighty, so front ones, push on like this, push on again, and then these ones here attach with these. So, you can see that that works. And that in like that. And then this one here. Boom. So we've got our little tractor, which can carry a trailer as well, or you can just do like little things like that. So now we're going to put this guy together. It's got a little cap. Bloop. I'll just place this on like that. I love his little outfit. It's really cute. The little baby blue. Alrighty. So we have our little baby blue outfit now. And then we are going to just put those stickers on and add everything together. So if we just place that there, and then place this one here. And then this one goes on the top of the tractor. Then we have this one here, which goes on the very front. Kind of reminds me of Broom. Do you guys remember that show? Like Broom. So cute. And then we have what's going on the back. That will go on the back somewhere. Right there. And it's cool because if you've got the trailer, you can attach it to it. So that's a really cute thing too. And that's all our stickers there. So that is the final result of the tractor. Works pretty well. It's really cute and can tow the tractor too. And then this guy, we can just put him in while it's actually built. You can place him in. It would be easier to take the top off. But these ones with the characters in them, they are so easy just to drop the top off and put your character in or take... Oh God. I say that and then look how hard this is. It is actually really easy, like, to put your character in and out though, because there's just one piece to take off. Because there you just need to put the lid back on. If you want to take them out, you can just take that lid off. You don't have to take the whole piece apart or anything. And there he is already waving. So that is the tractor build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. It's so cute, like. And I'm like, I wonder what else they could tow, because think about it, the tractors can go on here too. Tractors can go, the trailers can go on everything. So pretty much you definitely want to get a trailer, which I think are really hard to find. But I have one, so maybe I'll have to build that next. You guys let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, bye-bye.